Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to Fabulous. This is me Fiza over here doing another vlog for you guys. So today we are gonna go to the Jumeirah beach to get some fresh air and hot sun and to swim. Yeah, that's why I look like this because we are just going for swimming. So basically I slept like at 5 o'clock and then I woke up at 9 because they told we have to go there by 11. We're going Jumeirah, so we're going near Burj Al Arab to swim. So the water is gonna be so clean, they say. I don't know, I'm just so excited to swim over here also. And yeah, let's peace and go with the flow. I can't even open my eyes. It's so sunny. But the water is so blue. Like wow, that is so good. Okay, so I'm not catching my camera right now, it's just my phone. And this is so cool. Like, see the water? It's so green. Let me go inside and come back, okay? Oh wow. Ah, my eyes are burning. I literally don't feel like showing my face. And okay, so I am trying this new thing which is jet ski. It's not new, it's there in Kuwait, but I'm doing it for the first time and I wanted to do this for so long. Never mind, Dubai, first time for everything. So as you guys saw, I just finished the jet skis and it was so fun. I loved it. Literally, I loved it. I didn't want to go again, but you know. So I'm going back to my uncle and auntie. Oh, this place is so small. Oh, oh. No, but it was fun for the first time. So guys, I'm back with full-on makeup and all because we came from the seaside and it was such a bad time. We just went and took shower and we were resting the whole time. And then now got ready and we are going to the last exit in Khawanij. Yeah. Wow, this place is so cool though. This place is so good. Literally, these people are so mad. They say this place is so boring, and this place is like a fairy tale thing. Okay, it's so cool. Who's this? Who's this uncle? Faiha, Falak, or main. This is the promised bridge of Dubai. I don't have anything to promise, never mind. Literally, all these are promise what people made. So I'm at the edge of like the end of the bridge, and they say that I should wish at the end of the bridge, so it will come through. Never mind. The wish is when I come next time to Dubai. Done. That's a secret. Guys, look at the washroom over here. It's just like the farm, okay? So this is the truck accelerator. So you press that and the water comes. You leave that, water stop. The buckets are upside down. Nice. It is there. The washroom is so cool. I've never been so excited to see a washroom. Okay guys, so we are done with the exit. Yeah, this is called exit. But it looks like a park. So this is so cool. This place is so peaceful. Like, I like this place. And now we are heading over to what? Quranic Park. It's all about Islamic stuffs. So I'm hungry. I'm so hungry. I didn't eat anything. Okay, focus. Okay guys, so we came to this Quranic Park and it's closed because it's 11 o'clock over here. So yeah, better luck next time, please.
I'm like, oh, are you vlogging?
Okay guys, so this is the end of the day video. I'm done for the day today. It was so tired then why. Okay, so we wanted to go this Quranic Park, but we couldn't go because it was closed. As I told you, the time was gone. Anyways, the exit what we went was really cool. I love the place. I don't know why.
Cool.
Yeah, it was so nice.
It was so hot.
I am okay with hot because I
like
came from
summer.
Kuwait, so
You like summer?
yeah, I like summer. So anyways, if you guys like this video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and join the Fafa squad, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to hit that notification bell and to get notified every single time I post a new video. And peace. I'll see you guys tomorrow.